is Abel Benjamin from Mass Communication first semester, and I'm very happy and honored to be able to make this video about my experience in TESDA for the past few days or weeks. So, first of all, actually I started in English department because of some interest I had in English, but suddenly I thought that mass communication is way more fun and it is way more indulging. So I took up mass communication and I do not regret it. It's very fun to stay in mass comm. Teachers are friendly, friends are always there ready to help, seniors are always there to guide us, and everyone seems so energetic and full of confidence. So I love taking mass comm and everything has been so far so good. And about our food and everything else, the compound, the surroundings, the teachers, the friends, the lobby, everything, it is so entertaining and everything is so fun to stay around and look around for friends and also to learn new things. We have classes, different types of classes. We have mass comm, we have multimedia, we have Miyazaki Lab, we have different types of classes. Not everybody can take up that, but in mass comm we get to take multimedia lab, Miyazaki Lab and everything, and it is so fun. We have to make our own news report, learn about news, learn about cameras, learn about how different cameras work, how everything it is. Everything is so fun, and to think that I'll be able to come to that and learn so many new things that I never had thought about in my life. It makes me so energetic and so fun to learn with my friends. And even though I might have a scary face, like other people say, I'm like not a bird person according to my expressions, but I really like to be friends with you all, and I wish you all a very good and happy stay at Getzo. And if you need anything, you can always come up to me and ask for my help. I'll be very happy to help.